Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Medicare Supplement in Aetna, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Medicare Supplement with Aetna, begin by visiting the Aetna website. Log into your member account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Register button. Once logged in, navigate to the My Plans section. Locate your current Medicare Supplement plan in the list provided. Click on the plan you wish to update. Look for the option labeled Update Plan Details or similar wording. Select this option to proceed with your update. You will now see various sections related to your plan, such as coverage details and personal information. Review your current information carefully. Make any necessary changes, such as updating your contact information or adjusting coverage options. If you want to change your plan entirely, look for the Change Plan option instead. Follow the prompts to select the new Medicare Supplement plan you're interested in. Read through the plan details to ensure it meets your needs. Once you have made your selections, confirm all changes before proceeding. Review the summary of your updates or plan changes. Submit your updates by clicking on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation that your updates have been successful. Keep an eye on your email for any further communications from Aetna regarding your changes. If you encounter any issues, contact Aetna customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.